Hey friends, welcome back to DIYs with Sonja, where I help you create high-end home decor on a budget with easy, affordable designer dupes that look like they came straight out from Amber Interiors or Pottery Barn. In today's video, I'm sharing budget-friendly DIY high-end decor projects that will elevate your space without breaking the bank. We're talking textured stone bowls, custom incense holders, designer-inspired vases, and a stunning wood stool makeover, all using items from dollar store or thrifted finds. These are beautiful, expensive-looking decor pieces for fraction of the cost. If you love DIY designer dupes and budget-friendly home decorating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and stick around till the end to see all the transformations styled in my home. Let's jump into the first project. I'm starting off today with the designer dupe from Amber Interiors. I've been eyeing these beautiful carved stone bowls, but at $80 a piece, they're definitely on the pricey side. So I decided to recreate the look for a whole lot less. I picked up this ceramic bowl from Dollarama for just $1.50. You could also use similar ones from Dollar Tree or your local thrift store. The bowl already had some texture, but it was too repetitive. I wanted it to look more organic, more like a real stone. To give it a natural stone texture, I used Dixie Belle's mud and applied it with a small spatula, dabbing it in random spots. This process is quick and easy and really transforms the surface. And before I go any further, a quick shout out to today's collaborations, my very sweet and talented friend Sandra from DIYs at the Schwannenses. We're doing this project together, so make sure to check out her video. Link is in the description box. So if you're stopping by from her channel, say hi in the comments and let her know I sent you. Once the mud was dry, I painted the bowl using Dixie Belle's Ecru chalk paint, dabbing it on lightly with a damp paper towel. Then I layered in some coffee chalk paint from Dixie Belle as well in the same way for dimension, finishing with a touch of burnt umber acrylic paint to give it a warm aged patina. Amber Interiors suggests using these bowls as they are, or as candle holders or incense sand bowls. So that is exactly what I did. I added some sand and incense, and I absolutely love the result. It's such a beautiful and minimal addition to my decor. Speaking of incense, while browsing Amber Interior site, I came across another beautiful incense holder that inspired my next DIY. I wanted to mimic the look, but couldn't find the perfect bowl, so I picked up a simple clay saucer for flower pots from Dollarama. For the incense holder insert, I grabbed some air-dry clay, also from Dollarama, and shaped it into a small ball. Flattened one side so it could sit securely in the saucer. Using an incense stick, I made multiple holes, some slightly larger than others, to accommodate different sizes. I wrapped the clay in a damp paper towel while drying to prevent cracking. While the clay dried, I painted the saucer with Dixie Belle's Midnight Skies chalk paint, which is a rich dark blue-black. Once dry, I added depth with a mix of burnt umber and coffee chalk paint, lightly brushing it inside the saucer to replicate the dimension in the inspiration piece. Before attaching the incense insert, I applied Dixie Belle's gilding wax in antique gold to give it that elevated luxe finish. Once the gilding wax was on, I used Gorilla Glue to glue the piece to the little tray. So once assembled, it turned out to be such a chic, high-end looking piece, perfect on a coffee table tray or a shelf. If you're loving these DIY high-end home decor dupes, don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I share new budget-friendly designer DIYs every single week, and you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Next up is a gorgeous designer vase dupe, the Santiago vessel from Amber Interiors, which sells for a jaw-dropping $400. Mine just $3 from the thrift stores. While the shape was very similar, my size was much smaller. So I prepped the glass vase using Dixie's Bonding Boss, a primer that helps paint adhere to tricky surfaces like glass. Once dry, I painted it with Dixie's coffee chalk paint, which is a deep, moody brown that shifts with the light. It sometimes looks black, sometimes brown, and adds such a beautiful richness and organic designer feel. The final look has all the charm and texture of the $400 version without the splurge. Lastly, I wanted to include a beautiful wooden accent stool that my friend Sandra actually found for me on the side of the road. It was completely free and just needed a little love. The shape was perfect, but it looked very gray and weathered. I gave it a full sand down using my rotary sander, starting with 40 grit and working up to 120. I used sandpaper by hand to get in all the small details and carved areas. Although I don't have a specific store dupe for this one, you can find stools in various prices, also vintage and new on Etsy and many other high-end store sites. So it's really hard to pinpoint which one gave me the inspiration for this piece. Nevertheless, I spent $0 on it, and that was the best part. Once clean, I apply Dixie Belle's Voodoo Gel Stain in All Natural, which helps prevent the wood from turning orange or red when sealed. It's water-based, non-toxin, and easy to use indoors, which was great since we're currently in a major heat wave. To apply the stain, I am also using Dixie Belle's applicator sponge, which is a great and easy way to apply the stain because you can really get into all the little nooks and crannies of the wood. And if you're not familiar how to apply gel stain, you apply gel stain first and then you wipe it off. To finish it off, I seal it with Dixie Belle's Gator hide using the blue applicator sponge. This added a soft sheen and protects the wood beautifully. I haven't decided exactly where it's going yet, but I styled it quickly just to show you how gorgeous it looks now. From roadside find to designer dupe, this piece is such a win. Thanks, Sandra. And that, my friends, wraps up today's DIY and home decor on a budget. I hope these designer dupes inspire you to look at expensive finds and in a whole new light. Whether it's a dollar store bowl or a free piece off the curb, you can absolutely create elevated, expensive looking home decor without the designer price tags. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment letting me know which DIY was your favorite. And don't forget to visit Sandra's channel to see her amazing DIYs. Link is down below. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.